We are ready to listen, to learn, and certainly we are ready to lead. Let us mark this 10th anniversary not just with applause, but with a promise that the next 10 years will be even bolder, even better, and even more inclusive than that last 10 years. So here's to innovation, here's to impact, and here's to building the future together. Thank you and enjoy our celebration this evening.
And a flip stroke, good vibes lead the way.
Sama-sama natin, mga tanong ating sasagutin. Sa kwento ni Juan, lahat may boses. Lahat ng kwento mahalaga at tapat. Kwento ni Juan, halika't pakinggan. Buhay pangarap, ating pag-usapan. Kwento ni Juan, bukas sa lahat. Sumama ka, ikaw ay mahalaga. Sama ka, pakilala. Pag-ibig at pangarap, mga hamon sa buhay. Paano haharapin, sama-sama nating tagumpay. Kwento ni Juan, dito tayo magkaisa. Lahat ng tinig may lugar at halaga. Halika na, sumali ka. Buksan ang puso, damdamin isipan. Kwento ni Juan para sa sambayanan. Kwento ni Juan, halika't pakinggan. Buhay pangarap, ating pag-usapan. Kwento ni Juan, bukas sa lahat. Sumama ka, ikaw ay mahalaga.
To educate client with your product, you have to learn how to mix both educational and entertainment. Cool?
Kwento ni Juan, bukas sa lahat. Sumama ka, ikaw ay mahalaga. Sama ka, paliwan. Dito ang simula, tinig mo'y mahalaga. Sama-sama. Kwento ni Juan, halika't pakinggan. Buhay pangarap, ating pag-usapan.